Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove profile picture on Spotify. First of all, you can open the Spotify application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, you can just simply tap on the view profile below your name at the top left corner of the screen. And after this, you can now tap on edit at below your profile picture. And after this, you can now tap on the pencil icon at below the profile picture. And after this, you can now tap on remove current photo, and you can now tap on save at the top right corner of the screen. And it is the way you can remove profile picture on Spotify. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.